Live anywhere in and around Porth? This is a message for you. As you probably know, Welsh Water is doing some work on their water pipes in your area to make sure that you and your community always get a first-class water supply to your taps for decades to come. Now, this is a big project for Welsh Water, and although it may take a good few weeks, it does involve them investing around £2 million to lay brand new water pipes in the area. But Porth, it's going to be a little bit tricky. Welsh Water are going to be relaying around 1.8 kilometres of pipe around the town centre, and they're mainly underneath the roads, so you might see a little bit of disruption. And unfortunately, between March and May, Pontypridd Road will be closed so that they can carry out this essential work on the new water pipes, and these pipes have been in the ground for decades. This is the Welsh Water community van. There's a very good chance you'll see this in your area. So the community van is a great way for them to come over and ask someone like you some questions about the work being done.
This is a perfect way for the customers to come and, like I said, put a face to the name. They can pop across. I'm more than happy to deal with anything that they have. We try our very best to communicate with different types, whether that be social media, leaflets, letters, because what we do will benefit them. If we are working in your area, we receive a letter with all the information, contact telephone numbers, and anything you may need done.
So if you see this van in your area, just come over, say hello, ask a few questions, and you can find out everything you need to know about the work that's being done in your area. So although there's gonna be a slight inconvenience in the town, this huge investment by Welsh Water is gonna make sure that your water will be reliable and taste great for decades to come. For more updates, head over to Welsh Water's social media pages and to dwrcymru.com/Mardi Pontypridd.